Hey guys, in this one, we're going to learn how to turn our image to black and white. Okay, so all we need to do is to add the black and white adjustment layer. So where do we have the black and white? Where is our black and white? This is our black and white. So click on it, and boom, we have our black and white adjustment layer. Okay, so we've totally turned our image to black and white. Now we have different presets for black and white. We have the default presets, and we have the blue presets, and we can just keep using our mouse wheel to go through all the effects. Okay, so scrolling using our mouse wheel. So this is the dark effect, green effect, green filter, high contrast, okay, infrared, lighter, maximum black, maximum white, neutral density, red, whatever. So we have quite a number of them. So go back to default, and we can see that we also have sliders which we can use to adjust these effects. Okay, so we can use to adjust the particular colors and how much black or white they become. Okay, basically that's it for black and white. So the default one will just be perfect. So with this, we've come to the end of this video on black and white. See you in the next one. Bye. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.